For I know the plans I have for you, says the Lord. They are plans for good and not for disaster, to give you a future and a hope. Jeremiah 29:11. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get these beautiful affordable lashes. So first you will need a eyelash curler. You will also need some scissors, any type would be fine, some tweezers, eyelash glue, a mirror that has both small and big side, and these beautiful lashes. I got them in So Wispy in the volume 10. So first I'm just going to be taking these eyelashes out of the pack with some tweezers. Because of my eyelashes are already curly, I take my eyelash curler and I flip it upside down to actually straighten my eyelashes out instead of curling them even more. So I do this a couple times until I feel like my eyelashes are straightened out just a little bit more than they usually are. So when all of that is done, I like to take my eyelash with my fingers and just move it in this type of motion to create a more of a U shape so it can fit on my eye. I like to hold it in the middle with the tweezers and apply a little bit of eyelash glue on the lash line. So when applying lashes this way, you want to look into a small mirror. Look down at the bottom one. That is why I have a mirror at the top and bottom, but you want to look at the bottom so your eye is sort of closed. You want to apply the lash in the middle of your eyelash line, and then you want to go towards the front of your eyelash and place it as close as you can to your eyelash line. And then once that is placed, you can move to the end of your eyelash and place it. So after all of that, I like to take my index finger and my thumb just to mash my eyelash in with the false eyelash and to also get it closer to my eyelash line. This will help your eyelashes look more natural and blend in together. So I'm going to do the same thing with the next eye. Alright love, so I do have a second way that you can apply lashes. This way is a little more difficult, but it looks the most natural. So you want to make sure your eyelash is from small to large and that you'll be applying it on the right eye. Then you want to take your scissors and cut the eyelash into small pieces. Apply a little bit of glue. You won't need much glue applying your lashes this way. I just like to do it in a swiping motion just so a lot of glue won't get on the eyelash. Alright love, so now you just want to lift your eyelid, place the small piece of eyelash right up under your eyelash line as close to your eyelashes as possible. You want to take the end of your tweezers and press it in to your regular lashes to make it look more natural. And here you just see me taking my tweezers and pressing the eyelash into my lashes just to make sure it's really secured. And I'm just gonna repeat this process over and over until the full eye is done. Now, loves, I would say you will need a steady hand when applying lashes this way, because you don't want to get eyelash glue into your eye, for one. And you just have to be really careful with lining up your lashes along the same line. As you see here, it looks like a perfect line when I'm lining these lashes up. Now, once I'm done with that, this is what the final eye looks like. I'm just going to move on to the next eye. It's going to be the same thing, cutting the lash, applying a little bit of glue, and applying it to the bottom of your eyelash line. If you apply your lashes this way, you will want to use a eyelash glue that is waterproof, because sometimes our eyes do get watery throughout the day. So I like to use a eyelash glue that is waterproof, so when that happens, my eyelashes won't be falling off by themselves. So with this eyelash brand that I use, they stick for about a week. So that is why I like to do them this way. So here I just went back in and added a very small eyelash to the inner eyelash line of my regular lashes, just to give it more of a fuller look. Alright guys, this is the final look. They look very natural, all affordable, and super cute. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know down in the comments if you tried this way and if it worked out for you. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.